Have you ever felt like your body isn't responding the way it used to? You still feel the desire, but the energy, the performance, just isn't there. You're not alone. Many men notice this shift quietly, a slow decline that creeps in with age, stress, or even diet. It's frustrating, right? You want to feel confident again, not anxious or unsure. But what if I told you there's something simple, found in your kitchen, that can help reignite your body's natural strength? Something backed by science. No pills, no gimmicks, just food, in the right combination, that supports blood flow, testosterone, and energy. I call it the Erection Rocket Salad, not because it's magical, but because it helps your body work the way it's designed to. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what's in it, how it works, and why it's so effective. You'll learn which nutrients have been proven to support nitric oxide production, the key molecule that helps your blood vessels open up and perform when you need them to. So if you've been feeling low energy, low confidence, or simply not like yourself, stay with me. We'll talk about the real medical science behind this simple recipe and how you can start rebuilding your vitality today. Because every man deserves to feel strong, connected, and confident again. Let's talk honestly for a moment. When men start noticing changes in their performance, physically or sexually, it can feel confusing, even embarrassing. You might tell yourself it's just stress or lack of sleep or getting older. But deep down, it affects more than just your body. It can touch your confidence, your energy, even the way you see yourself. Here's the truth. Erections are not only about desire. They're about circulation, hormones, and energy metabolism. When these systems slow down because of stress, poor diet, or sedentary habits, your body simply can't respond as strongly as before. It's not your fault. It's your biology sending a signal. Think about it. If your heart, muscles, and brain rely on blood flow and oxygen, why would your sexual health be any different? When your blood vessels lose flexibility or your testosterone dips, performance naturally declines. Have you noticed you're more tired after meals or that your mood and drive fluctuate? Those small changes often start years before obvious symptoms appear. Now, here's where things get interesting. Recent medical research shows that certain foods can directly improve endothelial function, the inner lining of your blood vessels. In simple terms, that means your circulation gets better, faster, stronger. And when blood flow improves, so does everything connected to it, from your brain to your bedroom. So, what if your diet could help restore what stress and time have taken away? What if a few simple changes could bring back the energy and vitality you used to have? That's where the Erection Rocket Salad comes in. It's not a miracle. It's a smart, evidence-based way to support your body's natural systems, with nutrients that doctors and researchers already recognize as powerful allies for men's health. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how it works and what ingredients make it so effective. All right, let's get into the science and the salad. When I talk about the Erection Rocket Salad, I'm not talking about a quick fix or a secret potion. I'm talking about using real natural ingredients that help your body restore balance, the way it's meant to function. This salad is built on 5 medical principles: blood flow, nitric oxide, antioxidants, hormone balance, and energy metabolism. Let's walk through each one, step by step. First, boost nitric oxide. Naturally, erections depend on one key molecule, nitric oxide. It's what tells your blood vessels to relax and open up, allowing more blood to flow where it needs to go. The problem? As we age, our nitric oxide production drops, especially if we eat a lot of processed food or don't move enough. The good news is you can rebuild it. The star ingredient here is arugula, also known as rocket leaves. Arugula is rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. When you eat it raw, especially with other nitrate-rich greens like spinach or beet leaves, you're essentially giving your circulation a direct upgrade. For even better results, add beetroot slices to your salad. Beets are clinically proven to increase nitric oxide levels, improve endurance, and even lower blood pressure. This means more efficient blood flow, not just to your muscles, but to your most sensitive areas as well. Simple, right? Nature's version of better circulation in one plate. 2, support testosterone and male hormones. Next, let's talk hormones, specifically testosterone. Low testosterone can make you feel tired, foggy, and disconnected. It's not just about libido, it's about energy, mood, and motivation. Certain nutrients can help your body maintain healthy testosterone levels naturally. One of them is zinc, found abundantly in pumpkin seeds. Sprinkle a handful over your salad. Zinc supports testosterone synthesis and helps reduce oxidative stress in the testes, where testosterone is made. Then add extra virgin olive oil. It's not just healthy fat, it helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like D and E, which are essential for hormonal balance. Plus, olive oil has been linked in studies to improved sperm health and reduced inflammation. A drizzle a day does more for your body than most supplements ever could. Third, enhance circulation with antioxidants. Now let's protect those blood vessels. Oxidative stress damages the endothelium, the lining that helps your arteries expand. Antioxidants are your defense. One of the best sources? Tomatoes, rich in lycopene. Lycopene improves endothelial health and has been linked to lower rates of erectile dysfunction. Slice them fresh, or even better, use sun-dried ones. Their lycopene content becomes more concentrated after drying or light cooking. Next, toss in pomegranate seeds. They're high in polyphenols, which not only fight oxidative damage but also support nitric oxide preservation. Some small studies have shown pomegranate juice can improve blood flow and sexual function in men. This combination, tomatoes and pomegranate, works like a vascular tune-up. Fourth, reduce inflammation and stress. Load. Your sexual health isn't just physical. Stress, poor sleep, and chronic inflammation all disrupt blood flow and hormones. You can address all three through food. Add walnuts or chia seeds to your salad for omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular performance. Think of it as lubrication for your arteries. Also, include a few slices of avocado. It's rich in magnesium and B vitamins, which support nerve function and lower cortisol, the stress hormone that can suppress testosterone. And remember, when your stress hormones calm down, your body can redirect energy back to pleasure and vitality. 5. Finally, fuel your energy and desire. Let's bring it all together with foods that help you feel alive. Even if your circulation and hormones are working, you need consistent energy to sustain performance and mood. A small portion of lean protein, like grilled chicken or tofu, helps stabilize blood sugar and maintain muscle mass, crucial for testosterone support. Combine it with citrus, such as orange or grapefruit segments for vitamin C. This vitamin helps your adrenal glands manage stress and enhances collagen production in blood vessels. And don't forget dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa. Just a few small pieces provide flavonoids that enhance nitric oxide and stimulate serotonin, the feel-good hormone. It's both medicinal and enjoyable, a perfect end to your rocket salad. Practical notes and doctor's guidance. You might be wondering, how often should I eat this? Ideally, make it part of your daily routine, or at least 3 to 4 times a week. Within a week, many men notice better morning energy, improved focus, and stronger circulation. But consistency is key. Think of it like exercise. Results come from regular effort, not a single meal. Also, hydration matters. Nitric oxide production depends on enzymes that work best when your body is hydrated. Drink water throughout the day and limit alcohol and processed sugar. Both interfere with vascular function. Lastly, sleep. During deep sleep, your testosterone peaks and your blood vessels repair. No salad can fix what chronic exhaustion breaks, but together these changes can transform how you feel. So when you make your Erection Rocket Salad, remember, it's more than just a meal. It's a daily signal to your body. I'm ready to restore, to heal, to perform. You're not trying to be someone younger. You're just helping your body work the way it was designed to, with strength, flow, and confidence. And that's the kind of science I love sharing. Practical, natural, and human. Let's take a moment to bring everything together. The Erection Rocket Salad isn't magic. It's medicine in its most natural form. Real food chosen with intention. Each ingredient works quietly, supporting your body from the inside out. You now know that performance isn't only about hormones or desire, it's about blood flow, circulation, and the health of your blood vessels. When those systems function well, everything else follows. Energy, mood, and confidence. Let's recap what we've learned. First, arugula and beets provide nitrates that your body turns into nitric oxide. That's your foundation for stronger, healthier blood flow. Second, zinc-rich pumpkin seeds and olive oil help maintain testosterone and hormone balance. They nourish your system, not just stimulate it. Third, tomatoes and pomegranate protect your arteries with antioxidants. They fight oxidative stress, one of the silent causes of poor circulation. Fourth, omega-3s from walnuts or chia reduce inflammation, calming your stress response. A relaxed body performs better in every way. Finally, lean proteins, citrus, and dark chocolate complete the cycle, fueling energy, focus, and pleasure. What matters most is consistency. The body heals and strengthens gradually, not overnight. Think of every meal as an opportunity to send your body a positive message. I'm supporting you. And remember, this isn't just about improving erections. It's about reclaiming vitality. When your circulation improves, your brain gets sharper, your energy rises, and your mood becomes lighter. These are the quiet benefits that ripple through your whole life. So don't see this salad as a quick remedy. See it as a daily practice, one that reconnects you to your own body. Always listen to what your body tells you. If you feel tired, rest. If you feel stressed, slow down. And if you want to feel stronger, start with simple choices, like this one. Because small, consistent actions create the biggest transformations. I've seen it in my patients, and I believe you'll feel it too. In your energy, your confidence, and your connection to life itself. You're not trying to reverse time. You're simply reminding your body what it was made to do. Perform with strength, balance, and vitality. If today's video inspired you, start small. Make this salad once this week. Notice how you feel afterward. Lighter, energized, more alive. Health isn't about chasing youth, it's about maintaining the systems that keep you feeling strong and confident. And you now have one simple, delicious way to do that. Remember, your body is always ready to heal and restore balance if you give it the right tools. Food is one of the most powerful tools we have. So, I invite you to keep learning with me. Every week, I share evidence-based tips to help you protect your heart, hormones, and confidence naturally. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss a new doctor-led guide to better health. And if you know someone who could benefit from this conversation, a friend, a brother, a partner, share this video with them. Sometimes that single act can change someone's life. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Take care of your body, nourish your mind, and keep your energy flowing. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo, and I'll see you next time.